What they do, YouTube? This is your boy Richie Rich Mo back at it again with another video tonight. Late night, we're about to do a nice little drive to San Francisco. I got my car right there, got Zion right here, and we're about to do a few things. We're about to go meet up with the Flash, and we're about to help install his wing on his new car, the new 2020 370Z. And right now, so me and my bro about to get ready and take a drive out there. We got that much time, so we got to get rolling. I'm gonna try and do some road shots as well, and yeah, let's do it. Let's check out the cars right now, man. We out here just chilling, getting some gas. We're running late. It's almost 8 o'clock and we got to go to San Francisco. But you see how we rolling, man. Little bro. And stay tuned for his new car mod. He actually got his first job. And I'm proud of my little bro. And he's going hard. Hey, Zion, look at this.
Oh, yeah, the rainbow glitter?
It's hella showing. It's crazy. So right now, my car's... Oh, shit. Oh. Ah, my knee.
Yes, I didn't know.
Huh. But yeah, you see how it looks from right here on my camera. On live.
Oh, that's raw, the whole rainbow.
Yeah. Bro, I got that car cleaner shit, bro. That shit actually works. This is hard. Oh man, that's hard, bro. Oh my God, super sick, man. Oh my gosh. The Shelby, baby. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. There goes little Zon next to the Shelby. Pulled up to the bro house, Flash. Hey, make sure you guys go follow him right now. We about to help him out install the wing on his car. Once again, 3 months later, but more content for us though. More content, more views for the squad. And Zion finally pulled up. You know what I'm saying?
Finally.
So we parked right there, you know what I'm saying? Blocking like we supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? But right here, man, glory time. I ain't gonna play too much because Cuz we're playing some Spanish music and it's about to get me demonetized. So let's cut it off right now.
This sucker.
We got 3M under it?
Not right now. Okay. I didn't put it over here because I feel
wait,
like
it is on, right?
that's from the old one, but I just did this.
Oh,
I just
got you. Shit, look like it on.
I did this from the last one, but we didn't need it.
Oh, you sure did it? No, because the bolts hold on.
Yeah,
Right.
Because once this goes down, this is gonna be down.
Did you take the under part off?
What, that under 3M?
No, the what you call it?
We didn't have to.
Oh, we sure did.
Yeah, we didn't have to.
You're right.
So.
We got the bolts and shit?
Yep, I got the black ones.
Good.
That I've been holding on to.
For sure.
I didn't get a chance to put the black ones on, so.
Oh, yeah,
Everything's lined up, bro, already. We just gotta drill that shit.
Nice little fit.
I think it's right here.
That side's exactly on the dot.
Yep. This side exactly on the dot.
Back.
Yeah, this side exactly on the dot too.
Also, exactly this one too.
So, let me get this stuff set up right here. Like a private meet in San Jose. Shit.
When?
Tonight. Little bros. I was hanging out with my Filipino bros earlier. And he's like, yeah, we're going to SJ. There's a private meet. They're supposed to be releasing the address around like 6, 7. I'm like, I was saying, bro, I miss these.
I know, I miss it too, bro.
Like, I be wanting to go, but then I don't, cause y'all know me. I don't want to go unless my car is wet.
But your car is wet.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You shit on everybody. You shit on a lot of people already. So, the hell you talking about? No, this is nice though, bro.
I let my sponsors check out the rims. We're gonna wrap the rims. So instead of wrapping it, they're gonna get on the machine on the computer and find the rim trim and all that and print it stencil. So they can just peel it off and put it in.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
What's good? You gonna do it this time or you want me to?
It's all up to you, bro. It's up to you.
You did it good last time, shit.
I do it.
You took your time last time. Oh, hold on.
We need to,
I got you.
Light.
You know it.
You already know. Let me just do that right there. Cool. So now we gotta get exactly. Cause let me see. Yep, that one's exactly on it.
Okay, we good there.
All right. Double check. Yep. See, right there.
Yep,
smack
right there.
in the middle. All right. Yeah, this shit. Usually, last one was like.
But yeah.
But
Hey,
gang. Oh, shit.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so we right there. So it's gonna come right.
Right there. Perfect. Hey, so that's a thin layer.
Yeah.
Bro, I had in the house every week. I'm gonna take it and wipe it out so the
yeah.
Bro, that shit's in the living room. Every time someone walk past, pop up.
I know,
Fuck,
it was
this
so
shit's
annoying
annoying.
this morning.
At least I know it's working.
Exactly.
Okay.
So let's light that
My
back
boys
up.
hit me up. No, we got me excited.
Hell yeah. So that one's right there on smack in the middle. So we're gonna lighten that one up. Cause this one's exactly where I touched it at. It's right there.
Okay. This. Okay.
So now, all right. So as long as that one's.
Let me see. You might have to just slide it over slightly.
Cause this one's already cool. As long as we get that exactly on the hood, I mean the marking.
Right.
Cause that's all we need. Then we drill that first, and then put it on top, and then bolt it on.
Okay, we'll finish up.
Super sick.
What color do you want?
Right, yeah. I'll tighten those up on the safe side.
Yeah. Use the thing that we just used. Yeah, that's just hard. That's hard. Look what we did, y'all.
Yeah.
This is fucking insane.
Right there.
And it's all measured. Cause those ones already been measured.
Right,
And then-
is already there.
Damn, this is hard, bro.
Oh, shit. That's raw, bro.
Can you move it up just a teeny bit? Or you left your car?
Oh, yeah, I can move it.
Yeah, I just want to see how that shit look from the side. I mean, what the fuck? Damn, this shit's hard. This red is so hard. Nope, never mind. We're not telling people what the color is. So nope. Nobody can get it.
I already did in my video.
All right, what's the color called?
Satin carbon red.
Satin carbon red. This is hard.
I was like,
Yeah. I'm surprised
I didn't post it on social media, only YouTube of
Right.
like the thing, but still never said the color.
Right. This is hard.
Yeah.
So we finally finally just finished this shit, y'all.
Man. That shit's hard, bro. The Panda. That shit's hard. God damn. Hey, Zion. We just seen him on YouTube.
Right, we were just watching it on YouTube.
That's hard. That shit's hard, bro. Woo. That's hard.
You like it?
Hell yeah.
For sale.
I see.
We watch your YouTube, bro. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fuck, I haven't uploaded in a while, my bad.
Nah, it's good, bro.
Hey, you got a dopest GTR, bro.
Hell yeah.
Have a blessed night.
Here too. Bro, I gotta see that shit drive off real quick. Hold on, I'm sorry. That shit's hard, bro. That shit's hard, bro. It's just insane. It's funny, you like, you like it, New York? I knew it was his too.
Yeah.
That's hard, bro. That's just, bro, that shit's insane. Damn, that nigga shit's hard. And we just seen him on YouTube the other day.
Oh my god, he is
Bro.
weird out.
That shit's hard, bro. Oh shit. I may actually get a little closer. That shit's hard. Damn, bro. That's insane, bro. Jeez. And that's Liberty Walk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Rocket Bunny.
Rocket Bunny, Rocket Bunny. Yeah, that's hard, bro. Damn. That car is hard, though. Oh, shit. Woo. All right, man. Oh, my God. That nigga shit is